President of the Guyana Cancer Foundation, Bibi Said Akhtar Hassan, says while many residents of those communities may not have developed any form of cancer, they were given the opportunity to obtain free medical tests.
Our screening program is still ongoing with Cancer Institute of Guyana with a target of 200 women to be screened. So far for this year, 77 women have access to the screening, and unfortunately there are many names there, and when they book their appointments, and when time for them to go, they're not showing up. When Cancer Institute call them, they're not answering the phone. So I have to keep adding names from the different communities that I visit. And what we would have done is the clinical breast examination. From that, our nurse or doctor will determine whether they need further screening, and then we will send them to Cancer Institute of Guyana.
Ms. Hassan explained that most of the medical outreach program patients were treated on spot, and there were some cases where men and children were referred to hospitals. Clinical breast exams were done, and some persons were referred for further testing at the Cancer Institute of Guyana, she stated.
After a few outreaches, we realized that many patients were asking for glucose testing, which without hesitation added that service to our program, which is costly, but it is much needed in our communities. We have included distribution of male and female condoms. Also, poetry books by Kevin Noah were presented to cancer survivors. We also do education and awareness on breast and cervical cancer, HPV, and personal hygiene, which is much needed for a healthy lifestyle, and free counseling for cancer survivors, fighters, and others.
She added that through funds raised by the Guyana Cancer Foundation's major sponsor, GTT, 200 men will now be able to benefit from free prostate cancer screening at her foundation by simply having a simple kind of blood test done and not the physical examination itself. This will be done in partnership with the Woodlands Hospital.
And as more funds come in, we will be screening more men across the country. During all our medical outreaches, I was able to interact with so many people that today I'm inspired to continue the fight against cancer.
Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.